This AI tool goal is discovering new ways to search the internet. They will rediscover the internet for you. So let's start the video. So firstly, you will have to come to this website, metaphor.systems. I have given the link in the description. So here you will have to give the prompt. I'm just looking for people who are interested in motorcycle. So I have just given the prompt. Just click on find. See, they have given so many results and the results are so amazing. So you can filter the result and there are so many options like tweet, Wikipedia's, news, papers and podcast, blogs. So many things. So this is really fantastic. Let me search once again a podcast. I'll search a podcast. I just given the prompt as smart sunglasses and I'll open it and see they have given the result. See, recently Meta have just tie up with Raven and they are manufacturing the smart sunglasses. So in a very fast and convenient way, you can rediscover the internet. And the main thing is this is 100% free. So I start the new method to rediscover the internet. So I hope you like the video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment down below and subscribe the channel. If you haven't subscribed, have a good day. All the best.